Hey guys, this is AI Build and with the AI Brothers. This is our LEGO Technic Suspension. It uses a very simple mechanism and is very easy to make. It can also be motorized and is usually used in LEGO Technic monster trucks. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below what we should make next, share it to your friends and family, and let's go on to the instructions. Here are the instructions for the LEGO Technic Suspension.
So first you get this piece, then you put this here, like there, and this here, and that there. And then you put this piece in. So this is like the main chassis part. Then you get this piece and this piece. You put them, and then you put the axle inside, like that. Then depending on how big your wheel is, you can put this stopper wherever you want. Ours is about there, maybe a bit lower. Then you put the main chassis bit in, and then you put these two pieces in. Over there. And then you finish it off with this piece up here. Then you put this thing there. And then you get your rubber band. You might want to put it in half. And you put it there. Like that. Then you flip it over. And you get this piece. Like that. Followed by 3 length. And then the slidey piece. And then you connect them. This adjusts the suspension. And the good thing about the suspension is that it's very much adjustable, so you can make it less suspension or you could make it more. Next, you get this piece, put it in there. Then you get this, like that. And you put that in. And finally the stopper. Then you can connect your motor in the back, like so, and you're finished. We hope you liked this build. Be sure to like and subscribe, comment down below what we should make next, share this video with your friends and family, and enjoy!